Hello again, it's Mr. Pete, your YouTube shop teacher, and this is a temporary video reminiscing about the old South Bend 9-inch tool room lathe. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you a clip, about a 3 or 4 minute clip from a 8 or 10 year old video, which is number 269. If you want to see the whole thing, I'll flash that title on the screen so you can review that. But 2 days ago, I received an email, or maybe it was a comment, I don't remember for sure, but a man reminded me and said, did you remember that you took a video of this in your friend's basement 8 years ago, 10 years ago? I have no recollection whatsoever of doing that. So what I'm presenting in this video is just that short clip. You may find it interesting, maybe even amusing, but it's one of my older cameras, so it's not very high quality. It's kind of grainy, but you'll still get the idea. Remember that this lathe has a long history in the Peterson family. Originally, it was in my dad's machine shop when he was a teacher at the high school many years ago. And in 1968, approximately, my brother started teaching there and bought some new machines, and this was declared surplus. He bought it from the school, had it in his basement for about 5 years, at which time he sold it to my friend and roommate Lee, and you met him in some of the other videos if you go back and watch those. But anyway, he no longer wanted it, so I bought it from him, and here it is. And I hope you enjoy this little clip, and check out the other video too. That had quite a few views many years ago. Hope you enjoy it. Mr. Pete saying so long for now, and this is probably a temporary video.
I'm on a short field trip at a friend's house, and you may remember seeing this little South Bend 9-inch lathe in one of my other videos. It has the cast iron base, got about a 7 or 8 inch chuck on there, and this machine has a collet attachment plus all kinds of other attachments and accessories here. But the nice thing about a lathe like this that is equipped with collets is that it has the extra large spindle hole, so you can work with stock that's about 1 3/8 diameter. And note that on the older lathes with a quick change gearbox, instead of having 2 tumblers, there's 1 tumbler and then a lever here that has I think it's 3 different positions, and then the sliding gear here as well. Note that this is a 9-inch lathe. Here's the tag on it. And this lathe was probably built in the late 30s or early 40s. This lathe originally came from a high school and was owned by my brother for a while, but it's got a 4-jaw chuck. Here's the hand wheel of the drawbar and a dog plate. Complete set of collets along with a 3-jaw chuck, and there's the spindle adapter for the collet attachment. Live center, and best of all, it has the taper attachment, which I have shown in another video. I believe it's in my video South Bend course. So this is a nice tool room lathe, so watch for one like this in good condition. And it's got the threading dial. Motor is below. And that's the belt tension, which should be kept in the relaxed position if possible. So that's the little South Bend 9-inch.